This is a tutorial for your standing crucifix, so let's break it down from the floor first. So if you put your right foot just behind the pole, and then the right knee is just going to go to the right side of the pole, just like that, and then the left leg, you're going to stand on your toes, is going to come in front of the pole just like this. So just do that a few times. I mean, you will have started working on your climbs already by now, so you should be familiar with this position, but just to remind yourself, it's good to do. Do a few on the other side. So step close to the pole, 1. And what I'm doing each time is I'm trying to hug the pole with my knees, which is a key note in this. Okay, so let's go back to that first side. So I want to stand as close to the pole as I can. So I'm in this position, which does look a little bit awkward from the floor, but so you get the gist of the legs. So as you can see, I've got the pole on my knees right now. But when you're executing a standing crucifix, you want to use your thighs as well. So I just turn to the side. You can see my hips are slightly away. There's a little bit of a gap. So what I want to do is remove that gap by opening my knees, pushing my hips forward, and gripping the pole with my thighs. Okay, so that creates a bit of an extra grip point. So if I just do one climb, show you what that looks like. So I'm going to put the right leg on, arms up high to there, foot forward. You'll be familiar with this position. And I'm going to stand up, take the pole into my knees, hands off. So don't lean forward, stand upright, hands back on, and then straight away you can take your hands into your arms, switch your feet around, and repeat. Hands back on, and relax. Okay, so give that a go a couple of times over. So you start with the left leg. Actually, let's just do it this side together from standing. So we're going to put the left leg on, right leg comes forward, stand up, regrip with the knees, hands off. So left foot, and that's it. So go and enjoy that move. I was absolutely delighted when I first got that. So enjoy and do both sides.